Technology advances so quickly nowadays. New devices, new programs, and new apps constantly offer new capabilities. That's true for social media, for business, and for safety-related tech. But how quickly must businesses adopt new safety-related technology? That's as controversial of a question today as it was in the early 1930s when courts considered the storm that struck the tugboat, the T.J. Hooper. The Eastern Transportation Company owned the tugboats T.J. Hooper and Montrose. Both were hired to tow 3 coal-laden barges each from Hampton Roads, Virginia, to New York. When the tugboats left Hampton Roads, the weather was good, the seas were calm, and no storm warnings had been issued for their intended routing. But during their voyage, the weather grew worse until both tows found themselves facing a gale on the open ocean. Despite the crew's best efforts, a barge and its cargo sank from both tows. Other tugboats in the area had heard storm warnings on their radios. They diverted to the Delaware breakwater, an area where they could safely wait out the storm. But the Hooper and the Montrose weren't equipped with radios, so they didn't hear the storm warnings, and they didn't divert. None of the tugboats that waited out the storm behind the breakwater lost any of their barges or cargoes. The coal owner and the owner of the barges sued Eastern Transportation Company, arguing that the crew's negligence caused their losses. The district court held that, since most other tugboats were equipped with radios that let them monitor weather reports, the Hooper and the Montrose were negligent in not carrying similar radios. The Eastern Transportation Company appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit.